Hey everybody, and welcome back to Voyager Review. So, you're headed to Disneyland and need a hotel that's close enough to crawl back to after a long day at the parks, but don't want to drop big bucks staying on property? Well, today we're at Best Western plus Stovall's Inn. This hotel is just across the street from Disneyland and might just be the perfect choice for your next visit to the happiest place on Earth. The lobby area is right up front with a sleek and modern setup from the check-in desk over to a really nice necessities and snack area with a variety of food and drinks, as well as essentials like sunglasses and hats and some character plushies for the kiddos. If you walk from Stovall's Inn to Disneyland's main entrance, there is a convenient 7-Eleven along the way, but this little shop at the hotel really has everything you need. Okay, so the room here at Stovall Inn was actually really nice. The bed was super comfortable and everything was clean and fresh when we arrived. The bathroom had a nice large shower. I didn't love the shower curtain, but I did enjoy the provided shampoo and body wash. The sink area has a decent mirror and is adequate for getting ready in the morning, and there's also a microwave and mini fridge if you need them. All in all, considering the price, we like the room a lot. A really unique feature at Stovall's Inn is the Wonderland Topiary Garden. These charming topiaries are a vestige of the rich history of Stovall's Inn of Tomorrow, with its over-the-top space-age theming that created synergy between the fantasy and Tomorrowland themes of the Disneyland park. Today, Stovall's Inn is a bit more run-of-the-mill, but we love that these fun topiaries are still maintained on property.
Overall, I'd say this Best Western Stovall's Inn was really nice, convenient. Right across the street, that is California Adventure right there. About a 10-15 minute walk to Disneyland. I thought this place was great. It was convenient. It was clean. The maid stopped in, made everything perfect. You can hear the cars from the road, but that's to be expected. This is a good, affordable option to stay at. Definitely a good price. This is a little gem.
The Disneyland parks are absolutely surrounded by hotels, motels, and resorts. But if you want a cute little spot right across the street from Disney property that will leave some room in your budget, Stovall's Inn Best Western is a Voyager-approved option you should consider for your visit to the Anaheim area and Disneyland. Did you enjoy this review? If so, please like and subscribe to follow us for more content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!